Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Activision Blizzard is accused of unequal pay, promoting men over women, and widespread sexual harassment. California's Department of Fair Employment and Housing, DFEH, is taking legal action against the company, following a 2-year investigation.
Let's help you make your mark.
Activision Blizzard's reputation irreparably damaged by harassment allegations. Lawsuit. Top executives at video game company Activision Blizzard are being sued by an investor over brand's reputation becoming irreparably damaged when the state of California sued the company over sexual harassment allegations.
Let's help you make your mark.
More than 100 people showed up Wednesday morning outside an office of Activision Blizzard Inc. in Southern California to demonstrate their support of a sexual harassment lawsuit and to protest the video game maker's insufficient response.
Let's help you make your mark.
In a statement issued to Kotaku last night, an Activision Blizzard spokesperson revealed an internal investigation into the Cosby Suite had taken place in June 2020, following a separate investigation of Afrasiabi. As a result, Afrasiabi was terminated for his misconduct in his treatment of other employees.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.